Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
GI म्हणून आमकां तो एक सर्टिफिकेशन दिल्लें आसा, पण हाजे खातीर GI जर फेणी आमी करतले जाल्यार आमकां सुदारणा करची पडटली. आतां एकमेव फेणी आसा जी कास्कारची म्हजी कंपनीची एकमेव फेणी लावणी म्हणटा ताका एक हें दिल्लें आसा, GI स्थानमान दिल्लें आसा, युजर सर्टिफिकेशन दिल्लें आसा. म्हणून आमची एक इच्छा आसा आतां की सगळ्यांनी मेळून जशें मेक्सिकोच्यो टेकिल्ला आसा, रशियाचे वोडका आसा, जापानाचे साकी आसा, आमची ही फेणी म्हणटा ती देशभर पावपाक जाय, विदेशभर पावपाक जाय आमकां. आनी तातूंतल्यान आर्थीक बळकटी भाटेकाराक पावपाक जाय किंवा जो रेन करता रेनेराक पावपाक जाय. हो उद्देश आमचो असो न्ही की आमी करून 2 पयशे मेळटले ना. आमचे जे पयशे जे जोड जातली ती ल्हान भाटीकार जो गोंयांत आसात, जो रक्त घोळयता म्हणून येता, हांवें घाम तरी जालेत, कश्टीक जीवन हें सोंपें न्ही. एक सोरो बॉटलीन हांगासर पावतकूच दिसता की बॉटलांनी म्हणटा हें कितें रे म्हणून, पण जे कश्ट जे मेहनत जी ताका फेणी करपाक जी लागता ती पळयले शिवाय कळना. पूर्ण घराणें आसता, तुळशीदास तकले आसता, ताजे घरचे सगळे मंडळी असतात, मळपाक धरून खाली करपाक धरून, आनी वेळ ना हाका, 8 वरांचें काम न्ही, केन्नाय येता मुट्टे, ते मुट्टे खाली करपाक जाय, हात पाय काळे जातात, चेहरो बदलून वता. म्हणजे हें म्हत्व हे फेणीक ताका लागून येता.
Unlike any other drink on the planet, Feni is the only drink category in the world which is family owned. All of us own it and we're all families and we're Goans. We have no conglomerate, no multinational owning this drink. So every time we sell Feni, it is direct cash injection into Goa. If you sell a cocktail of Feni in Calangute, it makes a direct impact in Valpoi and Bicholi, because this money is going down there. And this is the big thing about the whole Prime Minister's vision of local for vocal. We need to actually walk the talk. We should be proud of our drink, talk about it. And we also have this whole thing of Atmanirbhar Bharat. We need to be standing on our own feet. I always say, by drinking Feni, you will save Goa, because we'll be planting more cashew trees, we'll have more green hills. So,
you have land available?
Yes, there is land. See, the beauty of cashew is that you don't need fertile land. You can grow it on a hill that doesn't provide any kind of nutrition. That is the best thing. No fertilizer, no chemicals, nothing. It's a very easy tree to grow. So we have land available. We have to, for now, it will only, people will grow more trees if we can sell Feni properly. So the commercialization and the production has to be explored. And that is what we are here for. We're trying to here now to explore the opportunities available. We need to carve out a future for Feni.